Hari Om. Sit in any comfortable posture. Keep your spine and neck erect. Eyes gently closed. Bring your awareness into the breathing. While exhaling, chant Omkara 3 times. Inhale deeply. Namaskar mantra. Let us chant all together pranayama mantra. Pranashidam vashi sarvam tridivi yat pratishthitam mateva putran rakshashva shrishcha prajnan cha videhi naiti. Few blinks, very gently open your eyes. Look at your mind. Hari Om. Today's practice for hypertension. Who all are having hypertension, you can follow the sequence and practice every day. Let us get into the practice. Sit comfortably. First practice Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati, we are not going to practice vigorously. Very slow practice per minute. Each minute you have to practice only 20 to 30 strokes. Okay? Very slowly, without any force and pressure. Eyes gently closed. Passive inhalation, active exhalation through the nostril. At the same time, flap your abdomen. Let us start. With less force. Stop the practice. Per minute, you can practice only 20 to 30 strokes. Not more than that. Next practice, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama without retention. Adapt Nasika Mudra on your right hand. Close the right nostril. Exhale to the left. Inhale to the left. Close the left nostril. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the right. Close the right nostril. Exhale to the left. Inhale to the left. Close the left nostril. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the right. You can continue this practice up to 5 to 6 minutes. Without forcing, continue the practice. Very slow and deep. Again, end the practice with left nostril breathing. Next practice, Ujjayi Pranayama, inhalation, exhalation through the nostril. At the same time, you are producing the sound from your throat region. Observe and practice. It might be snoring sound or else heady sound. Continuously. Can practice this 3 to 4 minutes very slowly. Ujjayi Pranayama. After the practice, you can give nice massage to your throat region. Give nice massage. I'm just practicing hardly 1 minute, but during your practice, try to continue 3 to 4 minutes. If time permits, 5 to 6 minutes also. Okay. Next practice, Shitali Pranayama. Inhale, you have to suck the air through the mouth. Exhale through the left nostril, 10 rounds. Let us start. Eye gently close. Once you're done, stop the practice. Feel the cooling sensation from the throat to lungs. After Shitali Pranayama, you can do Brahmari, honeybee sound, continuously for 3 to 4 minutes. If you're comfortable, just use your thumb like the ears, or else just press the ears, 4 fingers up. Continuously you can chant Makara, or else adopt Hechadi Mudra. Tip of your tongue should touch the upper palate. If you feel your hands are paining, just drop your hands down. Just use your index finger, close the ears, continuously start chanting. Now only 9 times we chant. In this practice, you have to prolong the ma sound. Feel the changes. Feel the vibration in the head region. Next practice, Nada Anusandhana. You have to chant Akara 5 times, Ukara 5 times, Makara 5 times. Then A, U, Makara together, Ma together 5 times. While chanting Akara, adapt Chin Mudra. Chanting Ukara, adapt Chinmaya Mudra. Chanting Makara, adapt Adi Mudra. Chanting Au Makara, adapt Brahma Mudra. Okay, now we are going to practice only 3 times. If you are practicing, you can do 9 rounds. Adapt Chin Mudra, tip of your thumb and index touches each other, palms facing downwards, slightly bend your elbow, relax your body completely. Silence. Change the mudra into Chinmaya Mudra. Chant Ukara 3 times. change the mudra into Adi Mudra, thumb in, make your fist. Makara chanting 3 times while exhaling. Chant Om Akara together in single breath, same ratio, 3 times. Relax the mudra. Feel the resonance of Omkara chanting throughout the body. Then you can feel the resonance externally surrounding you. Inside the room, feel that vibration and resonance of Omkara chanting. Would like to continue the silence, kindly be silent for a few more minutes, then you can end the session. Namaskara Mudra, Tri Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thanks to our Mother Earth, thanks to our Supreme Soul, thanks to our consciousness, thanks to our masters and gurus. Thank you all for practicing. Rub your palms gently. Form a cup shape. Please turn your eyes. If you're playing, gently open your eyes and look at your palms. There you go. Thank you all.